What's going on, guys? Cole here with Actionable, and congratulations because you almost have access to the Actionable Profile. You're just one step away. So let's show you how to sync the Actionable Profile inside of Xactimate. So first, if you are using Xactimate online, meaning you're accessing Exact via a web browser like Google Chrome, follow this step. So all you're going to do is head on over to Xactimate.com, log into your account, and then log out using this button on the right side, sign out, and then sign back in. That's all you have to do, and then you'll be able to access the Actionable Profile by either creating a brand new estimate or duplicating an estimate into the Actionable Profile. Now, for all my desktop users, there's a different workflow for you, so follow along here. Now I have Xactimate Desktop open, and what you want to do is go to the left side of your screen where it says Tools. Select Tools, and then you'll see an additional section here called Additional Profiles. At the very top, or very close near to the top, you'll see one called Actionable. Select Actionable, and then in the bottom right corner of that box, it'll say Sync. Click Sync, wait a few seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then you'll have access to your Actionable Profile. And just like your friends on Xactimate Online, you can start a brand new estimate in the Actionable Profile, or you can duplicate estimates into or out of the Actionable Profile. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@getinsights.org. And thanks again for playing with the Actionable Profile.